right, we're going at 5, 5, 5, 5. Damn. I'm at 5. Oh my God, this shit moving. What the fuck? Oh shit. What the fuck? Yo! This shit at 5 right now, bro. This shit moving. What the fuck? Hey. Damn. All right, bro. We at the speed spot, bro. Hey, I'm gonna start pedaling first. And that be hard. I gotta change the gear. I'm in pedal distance to 5 too. Full throttle, let's go. I'm gonna just hit that shit. Damn! Damn! Woo! I'm going uphill. It hit 28. Going back down. 30. 30.2. Mind you, this is fresh out the box. This is fresh out the box. No charge. Yo, this shit is crazy. Yeah, this shit moving. 31. 32. We hit 32, let's go. All right, straight throttle. No pedal. You see that sign over there? That shit say 30. Yeah, we're there. Come on. 29, 30, 31, 33. Let's go, 33. 33.8, let's go. If it looks small, bro, it's because it's in 0.5, that's why. Right? But this thing is nice, bro. I'm telling you, like, it's worth its money, bro. Y'all seen me unbox this shit. It took a little minute to put together, I'm not gonna lie. But it was worth its time, you feel me? It was worth its time and everything like that. And then, like I say, I went full throttle. Like, I was in 1, 2, 3, and then once I got into 5, it was like, yeah, it's over. This is where it's at for real, you feel me? This shit right here. And then I'm finna learn how to wheelie this shit. It's over. I'm finna mod the fuck out of it. I'm finna get a whole bunch of new stuff. I'm not finna talk about the shit I'm gonna get. I'm just show y'all, bro. This right here is the next Mobile. This shit gonna, I'm gonna make so much more money with this bike, fam. Watch me, bro. Chat. Y'all really watching the journey, bro. Like, this is really the process of how you do this, man. Y'all watching me do everything, y'all can do it y'all too, bro. Fresh out the box, man. I'm already moving, doing all the extra stuff. You can't be mad at that, bro. Tonight, I want to get a good ride in. So, I'm gonna see how that goes. That ride and stuff at night.